Hey there, welcome to TCS Insurance, Domingo Ramos. And so this video is about auto insurance claims. So you had a claim and hopefully nobody got injured, but if they did, this is really where it counts when you have auto insurance. Now here at TCS Insurance Brokers, this is where we shine because we know quite a bit about claims. We actually have a claims desk here, and I'm gonna bring you guys to it. Now, one of the most common questions we get from people coming from outside into TCS Insurance for the first time that they've had a claim is, what do you do when you're dealing with a claim from the same insurance company? So let's say you have XYZ Insurance and you get into a claim with another person that has XYZ Insurance. Now, what you need to know are the rules about claims. Now, we know that, and we talk to our clients whenever there is a claim. And even before setting out the policy, that's part of our process to teach our clients about the proper insurance, and then to let them understand that we're here. We're your advocates. We're going to be here to be representing you. That's what insurance brokers do. Now, if you ever have a claim with your own insurance company, you have this insurance company and the other person has the same insurance company, and now it's he said, she said kind of thing. The one thing I always tell people is stick to facts. Number one, facts. What happened? What direction was your vehicle going in? And what direction was the other vehicle coming in? And what really happened? Straight to the facts. No feelings, no I think, none of that stuff. Just stick to the facts. And then try to keep everything in writing, okay? Insurance companies like to stretch out time because they have time and money. And some of us don't. Some of us need the vehicle to get back to work. We need to get back to our normal routines. And sometimes we're hurt and we're desperate to just get it over with. Now, insurance companies understand that. That's part of the whole process about claims. Now, having somebody on your side that can help you with that, that is major. And that's what we do with our clients. So one thing, the insurance carrier has 15 days to acknowledge that there was a claim. So they'll send you a letter. Once that happens, they do have 40 days to either accept the claim or deny the claim. Many times they'll send another letter saying, hey, we need an additional 40 days. Now, what do you do in those kind of cases? It always goes back to what kind of coverage you have on your policy, because many times while they're trying to settle on the other end, the other carrier is trying to figure out if they were at fault or not. You actually could have your own coverage on your policy and use it without risking your policy to increase or without paying out of pocket. Now, the major thing that we push here at TCS Insurance Brokers is medical payments. For all the chiropractors out there, you guys know this. Medical payments is that one coverage that doesn't matter whether you were at fault or you weren't. And the insurance company can't really hold that against you. And that's what's going to pay for you to go see a chiropractor. But at the time of the accident, that's what's going to pay your ambulance bill. Imagine waking up in the emergency room and then having to figure out how to pay for that. Medical payments will pay for that. Hospital stay, any type of surgery, any type of rehab. And the most common thing you get out of medical payments that many people don't know and many people won't tell you is pain and suffering. So you really, really don't need a lawyer when you have good medical payments on your policy. The other part that you should carry is a high amount of uninsured motorist coverage, because uninsured motorist is that part that you can use if somebody that hit you either had very minimal insurance or no insurance whatsoever. Now, back to the claims process. When you do fall into a claim where it's either he said, she said, or it's the same carrier, because it happens a lot when it's the same carrier, they know the coverage you have, they know the coverage that the other person has, and they're going to play with you guys until you guys give up and accept the minimal amount. Now, you have to keep it in writing, okay? Stay to the facts, keep things in writing, and make them understand that you know the rules. You know how to play this game, which is they have 15 days for them to respond and acknowledge that there's a claim. They have 40 days to deny the claim or pay out the claim. And then once that's settled, they still have another 30 days to actually mail you a check. Now, if it's a battle between you and the carrier, stick to the facts, keep it in writing, and then you can always tell them that you want them to deny it because you're going to take the other person in small claims. That's a big secret right there. They don't want to go to small claims. They rather settle with you because it's cheaper, but you have to keep it in writing. You got to stick to the facts, and you got to make sure that you have a policy with good medical payments, good uninsured motorist, and good liability, because depending on what kind of coverage you have, that's how they're going to treat you. If you want more information for free, you come to us, TCS Insurance Brokers, and we can review your policy for you free of charge and let you know what you should have. And then if you want to, we can tell you what we can offer you. Thanks for watching.